allowed me to kind of hone in them skills that I needed to start doing the job of nursing.
Because a lot of the lecturers in USW are ex-nurses or people who are still practising as nurses but also teaching at the same time. They're able to support you throughout placement as well and kind of tell you, well, you know, that's not right or that is right. There was like no silly questions and no silly experiences, and you're able to kind of have support with one another from the people on the course.
From first to third year, my confidence had dramatically increased, and I think every year as you have more experience and meet different people, that just keeps growing, and you just need to develop that resilience in you and that confidence.
You know that you're not going to actually need nursing, because nursing is like a calling, isn't it?
Nursing can be really scary. You are a nurse and that just becomes part of your personality. You're always supported, there's always people around you, that network, your team, you know, there's loads of different people you can go to for that support. And USW being a supportive university really prepared me for that.
I feel like I belong in Cardiff. Coming to USW, there's just so many cool people everywhere. You're just always surrounded by creative people.
The best thing about Cardiff is that it kind of has something for everyone. There's an emerging game scene as well with kind of arcade bars that you can go to and socialise with people from your course. I feel part of a network at USW.
Cardiff, I feel, better suits my personality. You still have everything you need, like any city, but you can just decide to go on a long walk and end up in the countryside.
It feels really positive to be a part of a queer network. You know, we're all a community and we all help each other out in any way we can. I get more celebrated now in USW. I feel like I can express myself a lot more.
Welcome to a place of inspiring contrasts. Whatever you study at USW, you get the very best of South Wales to explore. One university, 3 locations. Cardiff, Newport, Pontypridd. Always connected, always different. And you're always welcome.
Uni has shaped a lot of my personality. You do make your own little family here. You meet the people that you love. You learn and you grow, and you learn to be independent and overcome challenges and grow up really.
USW courses, I think, they offer a lot of practical learning, so there's a lot of encouragement to apply real-world case studies to the reports that you're doing, which really challenges the way that you think, and it makes you think in like a practical way that will help you a lot more in the work experience. You know, you're already applying these concepts that you're learning to something real and tangible. The degree offers you the opportunity to try things out, see what you're good at, and figure out ways of applying different thought processes to different fields. It feels like you're doing work that means something.
The assignments were never just, oh, you read this article and you articulate this article.
Yeah.
It was about, you find a business that does this principle and then you apply it to something of your own. I cannot be one person who just reads a book in a corner and is okay with the academic knowledge part of it. I like to see how it works in a practical environment. That's why I applied to USW.
My experience at USW really made me someone that can be resilient and push through those challenges, and I changed a lot and I learned a lot about myself, because at the end of it I ended up finding something that I really do love and want to make a career from.
What advice would I give about uni?
Just get out of your comfort zone.
There is pressure, but it is good pressure.
I was diagnosed with dyslexia early on in primary school. Going through secondary school was quite difficult.
From the beginning, I didn't think I'll go to uni.
I always had that goal that I was going to graduate.
I wanted to prove people wrong.
Going through USW and just the help they provided me with, I was able to graduate to the first class honours.
I smashed first class honours, and that was really positive on my mindset.
I grew up in quite a rural town, no gay scene at all, so I kind of hid who I was for quite a long time. Moving away to university, it was a fresh start for me. I was with all new people.
University gives you the space and the time to develop as a person.
At USW, we had so many opportunities for internships and work experience. Get your hands dirty, get stuck in, you can handle it.
Croeso I le sy'n llawn cyferbyniadau cyffroes. Beth bynnag fydd y pwnc y bydde di'n ei astudio ym Mhrifysgol De Cymru, mae llond gwlad o bethau i'w darganfod yn yr ardal leol. Un brifysgol, 3 lleoliad. Caerdydd, Nghasnewydd, Pontypridd. Cysylltiedig, ond gwahanol, gyda chroeso cynnes I bawb.
I didn't really see the point of university. After my A-levels, the hobby that remained with me was offensive security, technology and information security. The USW course struck me as particularly useful because they suggested that all of our projects mapped onto real work that had happened in industry. It was the only course that had me wanting to go to university, so it felt like a no-brainer.
Uni was more than what I expected, to be honest. I wasn't aware of the vast amount of opportunities and the certifications and all the qualifications you could do, and a lot of them were really easy to reach and they're really accessible. The current role I'm in, where we do documentation and guidance, reminds me of it's just like straight out of an assignment that we get at uni. I guess that's a testament to how great the course kind of functions and takes into consideration what you would actually be doing in the industry. But yeah, USW had really good ties with the wider world.
In terms of the opportunities waiting, students were getting snapped up. Like they were getting picked up. They were getting offered work before they finished.
So many jobs out there.
There's so many jobs.
Even studying IT or computer science or cyber, you can do anything. It's not just tech-related roles. You can do absolutely anything. It just brought my confidence out, I think. It just allowed me to really be creative and express myself and learn about people, not just sitting down and coding all day. You're learning how people work. I don't underestimate your abilities and just give everything a go. Anything that comes at you, just give it a go.
placements that they put you on definitely provides a stepping stone of preparing you for the world of nursing.
I was probably more of an academic student in terms of placements and things. I was less prepared. I definitely found that the placements in USW were really useful in learning ins and outs of the job, really. It allowed me to kind of progress in a way that going from placement to placement, experiencing all these different things, getting support from mentors, really allowed me to kind of hone in them skills that I needed to start doing the job of nursing.
Because a lot of the lecturers in USW are ex-nurses or people who are still practicing as nurses but also teaching at the same time. They're able to support you throughout placement as well and kind of tell you, well, you know, that's not right or that is right. There was like no silly questions and no silly experiences, and you're able to kind of have support with one another from the people on the course.
From first to third year, my confidence had dramatically increased, and I think every year as you have more experience and meet different people, that just keeps growing, and you just need to develop that resilience in you and that confidence.
You know that you're not going to actually need nursing, because nursing is like a calling, isn't it?
Nursing can be really scary. You are a nurse and that just becomes part of your personality. You're always supported, there's always people around you, that network, your team, you know, there's loads of different people you can go to for that support. And USW being a supportive university really prepared me for that.
I feel like I belong in Cardiff. Coming to USW, there's just so many cool people everywhere. You're just always surrounded by creative people.
The best thing about Cardiff is that it kind of has something for everyone. There's an emerging game scene as well with kind of arcade bars that you can go to and socialise with people from your course. I feel part of a network at USW.
Cardiff, I feel, better suits my personality. You still have everything you need, like any city, but you can just decide to go on a long walk and end up in the countryside.
It feels really positive to be a part of a queer network. You know, we're all a community and we all help each other out in any way we can. I get more celebrated now in USW. I feel like I can express myself a lot more.
Welcome to a place of inspiring contrasts. Whatever you study at USW, you get the very best of South Wales to explore.
Graddedigion a gwesteion, croeso cynnes I Brifysgol de Cymru. Mae hwn yn ddiwrnod arbennig iawn i'r myfyrwyr sydd ar fi'n graddio, a'i teuluoedd a'i ffrindiau, ac yn uchafbwynt ar flynyddoedd o waith caled. Gobeithio byddwch yn cael diwrnod hyfryd ac yn mwynhau'r seremoni. Graduates and guests, welcome to the University of South Wales. This is a very special day for both the students who are about to graduate and their families and friends, after the culmination of many years of hard work and commitment. We hope that you have a pleasant day and enjoy the ceremony. Fe fydd y seremoni yn dechrau ymhen ychydig, ond cyn hynny mae angen I fi roi ychydig o wybodaeth ynglyn â'r seremoni I chi. Bod y seremoni ag elfen ffurfiol iddi, hoffem I chi deimlo'n gatrefol hefyd. Rwy'n gweld rhai plant bach yn y gynulleidfa. Os ydyn nhw'n dechrau aflonyddu yn ystod y seremoni, byddwn yn ddiolchgar pe byddech yn mynd â nhw allan, fel nad ydynt yn amharu ar y seremoni I weddill y gynulleidfa. Fe fydd y stiwardiaid yn gallu dangos I chi ble I fynd I wylio'r seremoni drwy gyfrwng llif byw, ac felly wnewch chi ddim colli unrhyw ran o'r seremoni. The ceremony will start soon, but before then it falls to me to give you some information about the proceedings. Although the ceremony is a formal occasion, we also hope that you will feel relaxed. I can see that there are some young children in the audience. If they become restless during the ceremony, we would be grateful if you would take them out so that they don't detract from the ceremony for the rest of the audience. The stewards will be able to advise you where you can go to watch the ceremony via a live stream, so you won't miss out on any of the ceremony. Nid ydym yn disgwyl unrhyw ymarferion tân heddiw, ond os bydd unrhyw argyfwng heddiw, awnewch chi adael trwy'r allanfeydd tân sydd wedi ei hyrwyddo trwy'r auditoriwm. Un peth pwysig arall, awnewch chi sicrhau fod eich ffonau symudol wedi ei diffodd trwy gydol y seremoni os gwelwch yn dda. We are not expecting any fire alarms or any emergencies today. However, should we need to evacuate, then please leave via the fire exits which are marked in the auditorium. One last but very important request. Please can you make sure that all mobile phones are switched off throughout the ceremony. Fe fydd y seremoni yn para rhyw awr a hanner. Tua hanner ffordd trwy cyflwyno'r dyfyniadau yn graddedigion, mi fydd egwyl gerddorol fer, ble bydd myfyrwyr o'r Coleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru yn perfformio. Mae'r perfformiad gan y cerddorion yn rhan o'r seremoni, felly awnewch chi aros yn eich seddi tra'i bod yn perfformio os gwelwch yn dda. The ceremony will last about an hour and a half. Halfway through the presentation of awards to our graduates, we will have a short musical interlude performed by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. The performance by the musicians is part of the ceremony, so please remain in your seats while they are performing. Ar ddechrau y seremoni, fe fydd yr orymdaith yn dod I mewn i'r auditoriwm. Yn arwain ar yr ymdaith bydd prif swyddogion y brifysgol, penaethiaid chyfadran ac aelodau o'r staff academaidd. Mi fyddent yn cael eu dilyn gan y byrllusg ac yna'r gynghellor neu ei enwebau. At the start of the ceremony, the procession will enter the auditorium. The procession is made up of the chief officers of the university, faculty heads and academic staff. They will be followed by the mace and then the chancellor or their nominee. Ar ddiwedd y seremoni, bydd yr orymdaith yn gadael yr auditoriwm ac yn cymeradwyo'r graddedigion allan. Peidiwch â gadael eich seddi nes bod y graddedigion ar yr ymdaith wedi gadael yr auditoriwm os gwelwch yn dda. Gallwch adael wedyn drwy'r allanfa ac osaf, ac byddwch yn gallu cwrdd â'r graddedigion y tu allan. At the end of the ceremony, the procession will exit the auditorium and clap the graduates out. Please do not leave your seats until both the graduates and the procession have left the auditorium. You will then be able to leave the auditorium through the nearest exit and meet up with the graduates outside. Mae'r llyfryn a gyhoeddwyd gennym yn rhoi cefndir i'r seremoniau graddio, a hefyd rhaglen sy'n nodi trefn y trafodion, ac yn cynnwys enwau'r myfyrwyr sy'n graddio yn y seremoni hon. Gobeithiwn y byddwch yn mwynhau'r llyfryn, ac y bydd yn gofeb werthfawr o'r diwrnod arbennig hwn heddiw. The published brochure provides background to the graduation ceremonies and also a programme setting out the order of proceedings, including the names of the students graduating in this ceremony. We hope you will enjoy the brochure and that it will be a valuable souvenir of this special day today. Yn olaf, bydd y seremoni yn cychwyn yn fuan. Rydych chi, ein myfyrwyr, wedi gweithio'n galed I gyrraedd yma heddiw, felly mwynhewch y seremoni a gweddill y diwrnod. Llongyfarchiadau. Finally, the ceremony will be starting shortly. You, our students, have worked hard to get here today, so enjoy the ceremony and the rest of the day. Congratulations.
Graddedigion a gwesteion, os ydych chi'n gallu, sefyllwch ar gyfer yr ymdaith academaidd os gwelwch yn dda. Graduates and guests, if you're able to, please be upstanding for the academic procession.
Welcome one and all. And for those of you that may not have been here before, welcome to my hometown of Newport. You are a spectacular sight. It's a pleasure to see you. I'm going to open this ceremony, and by the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. I would like to invite our Vice-chancellor, Dr. James Gravel, to speak to you now. Please be seated.
Anrhydeddus ddirprwy Nghasnewydd. Anwl gyfeillion, boneddigion a boneddigesau, croeso cynnes I chi I Brifysgol de Cymru. Welcome to the University of South Wales and to this, our graduation ceremony. Here in the city of Newport, our roots were laid down in 1841, an institution set up by industry to raise aspiration and bring education to workers in the region. We are, of course, long past those founding moments, but much of that vision set almost 200 years ago remains today. Mae'r Brifysgol a byd busnes wedi gweithio ac yn gweithio'n law yn llaw. Our university is proud that it works in partnership with business, industry, and the public sector, preparing people for work and future careers that we hope will allow individuals to reach the heights of their talent. We are proud that we bring a diverse range of people into our community at different phases of their lives with different aspirations. After all, education is a people business. As I look out to you all here today, looking fantastic in your gowns, and so happy to have reached this point of celebration, I don't see a crowd. I see distinctive individuals, people with your own character and reasons for being here. You may have come to the University of South Wales with a burning passion and have applied that throughout your time with us. Others may have felt uncertain about what your future holds or whether you were on the right track. But throughout your studies with us, you will have learned more about your abilities and have shaped a greater sense of possibility for life beyond study. All of you will have had different reasons for coming to study with us. Some of you straight from school or college, others already in work and wanting to upskill. And there are those of you that have taken the brave step to move your lives from a different country. And for some of you, this may not be the end of your journey with us. I recently spoke to an alumnus of the university who had completed no less than 6 degrees with us. So be careful. We can be a very, very difficult place to leave. What I also see in every graduation ceremony is talent and opportunity. We live in a complex world that isn't always easy to navigate. We also live in a world that evidently needs change. We need people who can effect positive and real change. People who aren't satisfied with things as they are. You will need to face the future courageously, to challenge and innovate, be inclusive and work with your communities to create a society which is more equal, without doing damage to our environment or the well-being of others. I know the world expects so much of you as graduates, and I know that can be a big ask. That doesn't mean we're asking you to single-handedly change the world. You can be that change in your chosen profession, be that in your hospital, your school, your company, or immediate team. Big change is usually an aggregate of small ones. We have a proverb in Wales which derives from the legends of the Mabinogion, the story of Branwen. A fo ben, bid bont. Whoever would be a leader, let them be a bridge. And you will have been that bridge. You will have inspired one another, listened to each other, cajoled each other to reach heights not possible alone. You will have relied on each other for emotional support. And I know many of you will have created memories and friendships that will last a lifetime. As I welcome you today to our community of graduates ein gymuned o graddedigion, I would like to remind you that in any good community, we draw on others for support, to challenge us when we aren't doing the right thing, to guide and advise us on making difficult decisions, and to make us feel that we belong and our voice heard. I like to think at the University of South Wales, underpinned by our values of being professional, inspiring, creative, responsive and collaborative, that our intentions as a community are good, to help you change your life and our world for the better. And we hope that we have given you the skills, knowledge and attributes to do just that. Now, life is not straightforward, and we all have bumps in the road. So as well as having the talent and passion to pursue your dreams, be pragmatic enough to give yourselves a break. Don't fret too much when things don't go as planned. Take a breath, draw on your intellect, and then reflect before trying again. It's just a moment in your life and career. And today is an important moment in your life. Today we celebrate your achievements. Mae heddi yn amser I ddathlu llwyddiant. Your job today is to feel proud of yourselves, to look fabulous, take lots of photographs, and maybe shed a tear or two. To help in that, I have an ask of everybody sitting behind you. You have a job today too. Your job is to make sure that whenever your family member or friend walks across this stage, they are in no doubt how proud you are of them. You can do that in any which way you like. You can clap loudly, shout their name, whistle, whoop. All are legitimate, in fact, absolutely 100% required. So, we shall see if we can beat this morning's ceremony and have a practice. So, after 3, let's make sure that they can hear us outside. 1, 2, 3. Not bad, very good. I don't mind having a noise complaint for once. That'll be a good thing. And so, colleagues, in closing, as you walk across the stage here today and collect your award, I want you to hold one word at the forefront of your mind: pride. In Welsh, balchder. Be proud of your achievement. Be proud of your potential for great things. Be proud of yourself and who you are. You will always be part of our University of South Wales family. We are and always will be very proud of each and every one of you. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you. We'll now play a short video just highlighting some of the successes of the university over the last 12 months.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys I aelodau o'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yma'n bresennol y cynhelir cynulliad o Brifysgol De Cymru yn Ninas Nghasnewydd ar y 7fed dydd ar 20 o Ionawr 2026. Heddiw, anrhydeddwn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi trwy deallusrwydd a'i hymdrech ysgolheigaidd ei bod yn gymwys I cael ei derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysderau'r Brifysgol. Drwy anrhydeddu ei cyrheiddiad, gadewch I rieni sydd yma'n bresennol cydnabod ei hymrwymiad a dathlu ei llwyddiant. Buddsodden ein gobeithion a'n disgwyliadau ynddynt, gan obeithio y byddant yn rhoi ei talent a'i disg ger bron ei proffesiwn a'n cymunedau. Hyderwn y byddant yn cyfrannu at ddyfodol ein cymdeithas gydag anrhydedd a chlod.
Let it be known by members of the university and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 27th day of January 2026. Today we honor scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honoring their achievement, let all here present recognize their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honor and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries candidates that have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy. Juliet Larson, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Religion, Folk Belief and the Sacred Landscape in Women's Writing in Wales, 1847 to 1909. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Diana Wallace and Professor Kevin Mills, Faculty of Business and Creative Industries. Leslie Monaghan, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Relative Poverty, Documentary Photography, Public Engagement and Making Change. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Mark Durden and Ms. Lisa Barnard, Faculty of Business and Creative Industries. David Parry, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Cultivating Presence, a conceptual auto-ethnography examining neo-folk and its relation to contemporary miracle and mystery traditions. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Kevin Mills and Dr. Nicholas Dunlop, Faculty of Business and Creative Industries. Carolyn Reagan, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Depictions of Space and Place in Contemporary Ghost Novels, Fostering the Uncanny and Reflecting Social Identities and Relationships. The programme of work was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Diana Wallace and Barry Llewellyn, Faculty of Business and Creative Industries. The Master of Arts in Animation, Prajesh Prakasan. Victoria Duchmal. Sophie Frampton. Mika James. Paige Jenkins. Anas Khan. Abhinav Manoj. Carter Penfold. Ritik Raj. Saif Sheikh. Natasha Singh. Sai Vidadi. The Master of Arts in Arts Practice, Arts, Health and Wellbeing, Kerry Ball. The Master of Arts in Design Innovation, Stacey Njimu. Vidarsha Singh. The Master of Arts in Documentary Photography, Edward Jones. Madiha Safdar. The Master of Arts in Drama, Abby Blackwell. Ben Cowell. Sarah Finch. Amelie Upstill. Ryan Williams. The Master of Arts in Film Cinematography, Jamie Grigg. Samuel Hercombe. Nambadan Jees. Sam Lewis Burns. Samuel Nevin. Kira Ricard. Akhileshwaran Via Kumar. The Master of Arts in Film Directing, Juan Montero. Luke Blight. Jack Gray. Fatima Isse. Lucas Lewis Smith. Emma Phillips. The Master of Arts in Film Documentary, Maya Andao. The Master of Arts in Film Editing, Domingo Alvarez Cox. Holly Dodman. Kieran Erdis. Rikraj Halder. Dasin Low. William Price. The Master of Arts in Film Production Management, Hannah Dante. Reese Rayner. The Master of Arts in Film Screenwriting, Karen Chadwick. Chris Davies. Luke Dickinson. Tom Horton. Precious Nkube. Jack Pugh. The Master of Arts in Games Enterprise, Luke Crum. Elliot Hubbard. Danny Lewis. Dylan Priest. Lucas Rogers. Richard Sapowski. Kirk Talbot Boyd. The Master of Arts in Graphic Communication, Alexandra Broad. Natalia Dudkovic. Wania Farah. Natasha Folk. Wartaj Huck. Itsham Hassan. Hanya Yang. Ewan Proctor. Sammy Prosser. Mohammed Awais Salimi. The Master of Arts in Songwriting and Production, Casey Bow. Terry Best. Emma Page Christian. Hope Evans. Richard Glover. Kevin Haid. Isabel Munn. Thomas Skinner. Lily Webb. Jude Wilding. Matthew Williams. The Master of Arts in Visual Journalism, Barakat Adedeji. Sylvia Hurtado. Tamana Nassar Ahmad. The Master of Science in Engineering Management, Mohammed Joinal Abedin. Faisal Ahmed. Faham Ilhanai. Maizam Ali. Mohammed Kausar Ali. Mohammed Abdullah Alvi. Chijuka Otha Amuchi. Taznova Apon. Rekiel Igberabo. Merab Imam. Mohammed Sheikh Farid. Favor Tamara Fawari Tebe. Fidelis Fawari Tebe. Hafiz Fiaz. Mohammed Azizul Hakim. Mohammed Jahid Hassan. Mohammed Khalid Hassan. Mohammed Harif Hossein. Zawad Hossein. Wajid Hussain. Mohammed Asif Iqbal. Mohammed Mahinul Islam. Mohammed Mominul Islam. Mohammed Rizal Islam. Rabiul Islam. Kushal Katak. Mohammed Rizal Mia. Mahmoud Al Musa. Krishna Priya, Krishna Kumar. Wazi Nilov. Victor Ogbono. Oyewole Oyeridiran. Tariq Patwari. Mohammed Rakib Pradanya. Mohammed Ashikar Rahman. Mohammed Tarek Rahman. Shamsul Rakib. Bab Rayan. Mohammed Sabir Riyad. Tukar Samin. Mohammed Imran Sada. Mohammed Fahad Sarif. Nizar Ali Shah. Mohammed Shanawaz. Mohammed Mehdi Sharif. Reinal Alam Shefa. Mohammed Taki. Mohammed Jazim Uddin. Bolawutifa Yomi Ologbodi. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Franklin Adaran. Adeyemi Adegunle. Nakul Aha. William Anto. Lisa Buamaran. Camilla Cheretich. Akram Hussain Drubo. Opoyemi Fadahunzi. Abin Francis. Aber Hussain. Saad Imran. Sabin Jose. Selva Kumar. Ashraf Lipu. Tyrone Mwewa. Aitzaz Nahim. Naima Naim. Michi Ngufon. Nope. Delight Odila. Israel Ojigan. Farhan Rakin. Mohan Shankar. Karupia Subramanian. Ashish Thomas. Raj Vijayakumar. Rini Vishwas. No Ta Yi.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed ddatganiad gyddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cyrdd a Drama Cymru. We will now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Graduands, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to our performers.
The Master of Science in Management, Amal Jacob John. Mohammed Fahim. Raiz Anvar. Tina Jose. Kaiser Abbas. Sadat Abbas. Latifat Abdwazi. Eldozi Abraham. Victor Adeyemi. Samson Adamako. Shahid Afghan. Tayo Agoro. Stephen Agalana. Gift Agusi. Ogeshi Aja. Yusuf Ajimati. Elizabeth Akinsei. Nafaya Akhtar. Abdul Ghaffar Alimi. Ishmael Amaluddin. Anuj Angel. Anandu Anil Kumar. Yasin Arafat. Mohammed Sharil Arangath Metal. Aluwafemi Asholu. Mercy Atsukwe. Faith Ayue Buka. Jesse Azijali. Ahalia Bijou. Sruti Bijou. Masum Bila. Mandam Bonkat. Augustine Brimer. Naheem Chowdhury. Mohammed Shakil Danish. Ezekiel Dowell. Rosabel Ejo. Bonaventura Izenwaka. John Fulani. Ajab Gul. Ali Hamza. Taiwu Idowu. Victor Ichekwu. James Imole. Mohammed Junaid Imtaz. Josephine Itive. Oluwatosin Iyadupe. Sajid Gigi. Benjamin Joseph. Vishnu Joshi. Akhil Ravindran. Akhil Lazar. Abdul Karati Parakel. Kiran Rajesh. Hamza Khalik. Amal Mohanan. Pardeep Kumar. Abhishek Mahsan. Amal Michael. Sohag Mondal. Abdul Munaf. John Paul Ndukwe. Anthony Obi. Modinat Odukoya. Cynthia Ogwama. Joshua Ogunbangbe. Rukayat Oginjimi. Emmanuel Ogunsay. Damilare Oke. Juliet Okoro. Stephen Omarin. Ignatius Osegbi. Apologies. Gideon Oyeyemi. Yeah. Taiwu Oyenlola. Dias Paul. Prince Paul. Gamage Rashmi Pereira. Nahid Mahmood Raj. Rahul Vaya Kumari. Abdul Rafi Raji. Ranwala Takshila Ranwala. Hafiz Rashid. Robert Teketo. Grant Rowland. Omotoyosi Samuel. Numan Shabir. Armin Sharia. Edwin Shaju. Jayazri Shijarani. Abosidi Shonye. Vikram Singh. Mohammed Taimul. Salam Tijani. Vigam Tomar. Basil Varghese. Kevin Varghese. Nia Viju. Lalit Wanipurage. The Master of Science in Music, Engineering and Production, Joshua Carter. Kirsten Collier. Alid Edwards. Jessica McKechnie. Luke Parker. Joe Ridgway. Fabian Roberts. The Master of Science in Project Management, Opayemi Abagunde. Ifeanyi Adimora. Daniel Aguanobi. Timothy Ajala. Damola Akinola. Juliana Akinpelu. Nuruddin Akinsanmi. Rosalind Anazodo. Joy Augustine. Jude Augustine. Clint Ebo. Ellen Emokara. Dennis Emokara. Mohammed Farhan. Msendu Bebo. Kelsey Griffiths. Ali Hayder. Mohammed Hamza. Sanuri Haparaki. Kazi Hussain. Bilal Hussain. Emily Iwamofe. Michael John. Mary Karuri. Rab Khan. Sana Kamal. Abdul Mahid. Sardar Furkan Maksud. Sardar Ryan Maksud. Esther Omak Barrera. Felix Onwume. Victoria Panama. Mohammed Daniel Rai. Prabhat Delusha Ranavira Don. Aluafon Milayo Salami. Zishan Suleiman. Timia Ujfalusi. Azmat Ullah. Nadim Vahora. Samuel Wahid. The Master of Science in Strategic and Digital Marketing, Mariam Abid. Rebecca Idoye. Alero Akpodevo. Juliana Asamaning. Etisham Aziz. Nayef Azmi. Nayef Azmi. Golam. Mohammed Golam Alberin. Jonah Carr. Thomas Charles. Alexandra Emanuela Krachun. Mohammed Hamza. Mohammed Ripon Hassan. Mohammed Shub Hussain. Ronald Nyamalanda Manda. Gideon Ofuso. Precious Ojukwu. Collins Onyejua. Molly Price. Noor Christina Patricia. Ferdinand Robinson. Elizabeth Rogers. Sakib. Stuart Seaborn. Mohammed Shaif Uddin. Aliyah Wallace. Andrea Marie West. Daniel Winchester. The Master of Science in Strategic Procurement Management, Andrew Curry. Katie Hopkins. Owain Hopkins. The Bachelor of Arts in Advertising Design, Olivia Brooking. The Bachelor of Arts in Computer Games Design, Antoine Durham. The Bachelor of Arts in English and Creative Writing, Kelsey Marshman. The Bachelor of Arts in Film, Maya Jones. Harvey Smith. The Bachelor of Arts in Game Art, Antonius Kostakis. The Bachelor of Arts in History, Mally Price. The Bachelor of Arts in Media Production, Morgan Hulse. The Bachelor of Arts in Media, Culture and Journalism, Joshua McCarthy. The Bachelor of Arts in Performance and Media, Marley Warren. The Bachelor of Arts in Photography, Najma Kazmi. Rebecca Miles. The Bachelor of Arts in Popular and Commercial Music, Lily Coos. Joe Griffiths. The Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film, Hair, Makeup and Special Effects, Coleg Nangaru, Ellie Louise Hawker. The Bachelor of Science in Logistics, Procurement and Supply Chain Management, Bazadi Sitole. The Foundation Degree in Arts in Game Art and Design, Coleg Gwent Cross Keys, Alicia Connett. The MA Design Innovation, Ruslan Hertzai. Masters in Management, Stephen Omarin. The Master of Science in Management, Asima Kaniz. The Master of Science in Project Management, Grace Ajayi. The Master of Arts in Drama, Melika Radmand. The Master of Science in Strategic and Digital Marketing, Diksha Bajpai. The Master of Science in Project Management, Mubarak Ahmed. The Master of Science in Management, Mohammed Joinazam Khan. Emileo Deborah Akindele. The Master of Science in Management, Ofemi Abaremi. The Master of Science in Strategic and Digital Marketing, Lyrene Sasha Stanner. The Bachelor of Arts in Film, Jack Davies. The Master of Science in Management, Mary Omono Odigi. Timleum Ayobani Ogunyemi. The Master of Science in Management, Olamide Adebayo Alenjo. Mohammed Roni Munshi. The Master of Science in Project Management, Farouk Mohammed Hassan. Kushal Kumar Giris Chovda. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain, Munshi Abdi. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Mohudin Ahmed Nishad. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Khawaja Umair Ahmed Tak. Fabian Shinua Silva. The Master of Science in Project Management, Nazia Shafkat. Abdur Rafi Goha. The Master of Science in Management, Olawasei Emmanuel Agbi. Kabiru Olaladi Salaku. The Master of Science in International Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Timilian Arubemi Aweda. The Master of Science in Management, Ifeoma Anastasia Egwumba. Esther Umaran Udumaran. Franca Chidinma Ojuma.
Okay, so after all that excitement, are we ready? Okay. Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, graduates. Graduation is more than a formal academic ceremony. It is a celebration of perseverance, growth, and the promise of what comes next. Today marks a significant milestone in the lives of our graduates, and it is a moment of immense pride for all of us gathered here. To the parents, partners, families and friends in the audience, this is your day too. You've offered encouragement during late night study sessions, reassurance during moments of doubt, and unwavering support throughout this journey. Your role in today's success cannot be overstated. Would everyone here please join me in giving them a heartfelt round of applause? Everyone here on this stage shares in your pride. For us, this is the high point of the university year when we see the fruits of dedication, resilience and hard work. I would also like to pay tribute to the nearly 3,000 staff members at this remarkable university. They have taught, mentored, supported, fed, counselled, and occasionally nudged our students along the way. Their commitment to student success is at the heart of everything we do. Let us also take a moment to thank them for their tireless efforts. Okay. But today, above all, it's about you, our new graduates. Settle down over here now. You have achieved something extraordinary. You've not only mastered your subjects, but you've also developed the ability to think critically, challenge assumptions, and engage with complex issues in a spirit of respect and curiosity. These are timeless skills, essential in every walk of life. We are proud that the education you've received here is highly valued by employers. But more than that, we are proud of the way it transforms lives, your lives, and the communities you will go on to serve. At the University of South Wales, we believe in nurturing not just skilled professionals, but thoughtful, engaged citizens. As you step into the next chapter of your life, we hope you carry with you the values of integrity, inquiry, and compassion. As alumni, you are now ambassadors for this university and for the ideals we stand for. Wherever your journey takes you, we hope you'll stay connected, continue to grow, and inspire others as you have inspired us. We have enjoyed your company. If a little troubling on times. Congratulations to each and every one of you. Our warmest wishes go with you for your continued success and happiness. Thank you so much. Diolch yn fawr. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed. Please may I invite all of you who are able to stand for the national anthem.
you.